Hey, welcome back, guys. This is now Hawkeye Indicators, and I want to take the time to guide you to opportunities that you can easily find once we have the Hawkeye Indicators. Now, it's very important for you, for me to guide you and understand how you can easily use and spot opportunities, not only in the short term, medium term, but also in the long term. So you have a clear view of what's happening. The best way to do that is for you to have a visual. You need to see what you're doing. And that's exactly the power that unleashes the Hawkeye Traders indicator. Okay. Now let's take a look at Tesla because it's absolutely time. You want to participate. You see the other big companies in the Fat Man that are reversing a little bit, but who actually is showing strength? That's right. It's Tesla. And you want to take a piece of the action. Let me show you. Let's go back to the charts now and take a look at what's happening. Now, the idea when you're looking at trading from the professional perspective and using, following the templates from Hawkeye Traders is you want to look at the long, the medium, and the short term. And you want to align those, okay? You want to align those for you to be more effective. Remember the difference between those trading to sort of making money and those that are looking to trade because they're trading for a living. They're professionals. There's no room for you to make a mistake. Like, listen, yeah, it's a business. From time to time, you have to take losses. This is not different from running a restaurant or running a publisher. Think about what we do at Market Traders Daily or Hawkeye Traders Daily as well. The idea of our publisher is to, make a profit. So we want to have the best tools. We need to understand our game. Same you. If you want to consider yourself professional, but more than the pro aspect of what we do is, do you really want to make a living from the markets? Then you have to be the best of the best. And the idea from the perspective of an investor is use time on your side. The idea from the trader perspective is for you to be opportunistic. So you need to know what's happening. That's why I use these tools, because they let me know exactly what is happening. Let's start with monthly. It never changed. Tesla was never bearish. And I remember everyone calling for this thing to go bonkers in the sense of actually go very, very bad. But if you look at the long-term view, the reality is that Tesla was only dipping into the trend line. And for that, I like to use, it's very visual and easy to follow, Hawkeye trend plus stops. And it guides me to understand, at this point, I was buying just the pullback. And the price was just breathing. That's all it was. Okay, now let's take a look at the weekly and the daily. If I take a look at the daily, let's start with the daily. You look at the bottom, that's the heat map. It's my momentum tool from Hawkeye. What it's telling me is in conjunction with Hawkeye Trend Plus Stops, is telling me that once it dipped at $713, I was just buying the dip on the second level of the tool. Now, the momentum was still bullish. It favors buy. You need to buy. You're looking to buy, but you're buying at a specific entry. Now, if you look on the weekly, the short-term, medium-term view, we still are bullish. Now, the reality is that it's dark green and it's going into bright green. So it's still a little bit in between, but once we move here, take a look right there. Green, bright green on weekly, bright green on daily, bright green. Look at the monthly. There you go. 3 aligned heat map. That means is time to buy. That's what it's time to buy. A clean buy at $714, give and take. Also, you're buying the protection of the round figure. The 700 figure is being protected. So it dips, and then buyers take this as the last opportunity to buy Tesla. What we can see now as the bottom play. The bottom is in place, and we're playing that bottom. What we have to do now, you already see how Hawkeye Trends Plus Stops is guiding you, how you have to align. The three time frames are aligned, and that's important. Remember, you're trading for a living. Who cares if you're professional or not? It's a living thing. Do or die. So you need these tools. That's why I use them to pinpoint these opportunities. Now let's take a look at the full view on the monthly. What is happening? Now I'm buying strength. The market is bullish. Yeah, we have the China Evergrande situation, all that, energy war. Now, it's fine. All the other members of the Fat Man, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, they're rotating in a sense of, you can see they're a little bit red. They're rotating. But the only place where you find strength is this stock. It's Tesla. They're doing a lot of great things. They have the mega factory. They have the giga factory in Berlin. They're getting support from the German government. That means they're receiving the blessing in Europe. So there are a lot of things happening. But more than that, it's not just about selling cars. It's about the energy revolution, the battery power that Elon Musk is building. But I don't have to tell you that. You just have to look at what the stock is doing. Everyone is rotating. I'm not saying they're crashing. They're just giving back a little bit of the gains that they had for the last couple of weeks. Tesla was 3.2. Nobody knew what was happening. Only if you were to be positioned with Hawkeye Traders indicators, you can see what's happening. Now, what I want to do as usual when I produce these videos for everyone on behalf of the Hawkeye Traders family is to give you the sense of, besides day trading with margin, besides day trading or swing trading these ideas with a cash position, you can always look to build your position with leverage, with conscious leverage with US options. So I'm going to go to Quote Media. Okay. Let's go to Quote Media and option chain. And I can play these by week. So I'm going to play next week. That will be the first, that will be the 8th. So for the 8th, I can see where is the money allocated. First off, it's trading at 784. If I want to play short term, I can scalp the 800 call. That's easy to see. The open interest is pretty decent volume so far, 9,166 contracts. I'm paying, give and take, $1,570 for one contract to scalp Tesla. The other way around I can do is look at all the available contracts and I can speculate a little bit more with a push to 900. And that will take me, I can see the 1,000 has a lot of open interest. It's not the definite guide for you to pick the contract. It's just a little bit of guidance. Where is the interest accumulated? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to speculate with this one. So I'm going to play two ideas for next week. That's what I'm about to do. I'm going to play the 1,000. Okay. Let me see if I can get that. I want to play the 1,000 as a highly speculative. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just guiding you to look at these specific contracts. Once again, we're not going to play this weekly. We're going to play the next weekly. That will be October 8, and we choose all the strikes. Something conservative, I will be playing the 800 call. That's running for, let's see what we have. Has decent volume today. And then I'm going to play speculative because I have a lot of open interest, a lot of contracts open there. That's the 1,000. And for the monthly, I want to go as well with another position. Let's take a look. Okay, this is my not too far out of the money, but not excessively out of the money. I'm paying right now, the ask is running for $1,600. It depends on the time of when you're watching this video. And then my highly speculative, this one running, it was contract low was 5 cents. The contract high was $1.46, running right now for 27 cents. I will be looking, if this actually happens, I will be looking to at least make 3 times my money. So if I get filled around 32, I will be selling, placing a sell limit order. Remember, place your sell limit. I would at least be looking to place a sell limit 60, 90. That will be 120, 40, at least $1.50, which will be $1.50 or $1.46. Yeah, at least the contract high, that will be my sell limit. But this one, at least I would like to take home 50% to 100%. Again, 50% to 100% on my money. And the final idea I have for the monthly on Tesla, we're playing, remember, we're playing the trend. The trend is up. We're pushing higher from the Hawkeye trends plus stops. So far this month, plus 6%, when everything in the Fed, man, it's not looking so good. So I want to align myself with what is going up, and that's again Tesla. I can see that thanks to the tools. I've been following the trend. Momentum is up, and also the price is bouncing back from Hawkeye Trends plus stops, and I want to do that. My final idea, October 15, that's the monthly expiration. Then let's look where is the action taking place. You can see there is volume around the 900, and for the monthly, I want to take today the 900 call monthly expiration for October. That's October 15. It's right now, the last sell was at 253. I can get the ask around 250. Try not to pay more than 270, depending on the moment where you are watching this video. And I am looking, look at the contract high. That's $42. That's crazy. So if we were to get in the money, I'm looking at least to take 5 times my money. That means that I will be selling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5, 10, 12.50. Look to have your sell limit around $17 at least. Once you get filled, remember, pay no more than $260 and then position yourself. It's going to be a wild ride. Tesla is on the news. They're achieving great things. I see no reason for you to be short. I'm betting the trend will continue into next month, and I have been able to spot the value and everything because all the time frames are being aligned with heat map, Hawkeye Trend plus stop, and that gives me a perfect positioning when I'm looking to trade for a living. As usual, I want to thank you on behalf of the Hawkeye Traders team for watching this video. If you're new to our tools, go to the description of this video. There's a link where you can pick those tools. There's a monthly package, and also you can call in for a special discount if you're looking to get our full suite of products. Thank you for watching, and remember, into next month, into the end of the year, I want to be long Tesla, and you as well, following the Hawkeye Traders tools. Thank you so much.